Welcome to our detailed comparison of two powerful processors, the Intel Core 5 to 12,600 kilofarads and the AMD Ryzen 7700X. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and value to help you make an informed decision. The Intel Core 5 to 12,600 kilofarads, priced at $311, offers a unique hybrid architecture with 10 cores and impressive clock speeds. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 7700X, priced at $399, boasts 8 cores and high performance, particularly in gaming and multitasking. Let's dive in. When it comes to performance, the Intel Core 5 to 12,600 kilofarads shines with its hybrid architecture, combining 6 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. This design allows it to handle gaming and productivity tasks efficiently, reaching boost speeds of up to 4.9 GHz. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 7700X, with its 8 cores and 16 threads, excels in multi-threaded applications and gaming, achieving boost speeds of up to 5.4 GHz. Both processors are unlocked for overclocking, but the Ryzen 7700X generally offers superior performance in demanding scenarios, making it a top choice for gamers and content creators alike. In terms of pricing, the Intel Core 5 to 12,600 kilofarads is more budget-friendly at $311, making it an attractive option for those looking for high performance without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 7700X comes at a premium price of $399. While it offers exceptional performance, the higher cost may not be justifiable for all users, especially those on a tighter budget. Therefore, if you're looking for value, the i5 to 12,600 kilofarads is a compelling choice, whereas the Ryzen 7700X targets enthusiasts willing to invest more for top-tier performance. Both processors feature impressive specifications. The Intel Core 5 to 12,600 kilofarads has 10 cores, a base clock of 3.7 GHz, and a boost clock of 4.9 GHz with a TDP of 125W. It supports the LGA 1700 socket. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 7700X has 8 cores, a higher base clock of 4.5 GHz, and a boost clock of 5.4 GHz with a TDP of 105W, utilizing the newer AM5 socket. The Ryzen 7700X also features a larger L3 cache of 32 MB compared to the i5's 16 MB, which can enhance performance in certain applications. These specifications highlight the strengths of each processor, catering to different user needs. In conclusion, both the Intel Core i5 to 12,600 kilofarads and AMD Ryzen 7700X offer excellent performance, but they cater to different audiences. The i5 to 12,600 kilofarads is a fantastic choice for budget-conscious users who still want great performance, while the Ryzen 7700X is ideal for those seeking top-tier capabilities and are willing to invest more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.